Net positive design is a design that focuses on creating positive impacts on the environmental integrity and human well-being. It is a design concept which minimizes the use of resource while producing greater outcomes, leaving promising results for our environment and surroundings. In order to achieve net positive design, the building has to build relationships between the site location and the environment around it. There are various ways of creating a net positive design building. Some of these sustainable initiatives can be buildings that sequesters more carbon dioxide than produces throughout construction and operation. Harvesting more energy through solar, wind, or water than needed for building operation. Rainwater harvesting and filtering it for potable and non-potable use. Treats sewage water on site and reclaiming it for irrigation or even non-potable use. Interior designs that improve human health and productivity through daylighting and natural ventilation or active interaction. By using the concept of net positive design and sustainable design ideas, we can solve various environmental issues happening around the world, such as greenhouse gas emission, water scarcity, loss of biodiversity, and climate change. The Center for Interactive Research on Sustainability in UBC is a good example of a building which incorporates many sustainable ideas to achieve a net positive concept.
In UBC service buildings, an evacuated top rail on the roof that captures solar energies and an internal heat recovery system that captures waste heat from the building system preheats the domestic hot water. Photovoltaic cells on the travel roof and the window some shades convert solar energies into electricity. Ongoing monitoring and research will study the energy consumptions and efficiencies of the building system in the relations to inhabitants' behavior and how to optimize the operations of the building. In general, the application of solar energies in buildings have use of power supplies and use of solar thermal energies. Solar energy is essential, especially in institutions that have a massive usage of energies. This is because it helps in conservation of energies and has high economic benefits. Among the many renewable energy resources, the solar energy has many advantages that are great, economic, and cleanest. The use of power supplies using solar power can be divided into the photovoltaic power generations and thermal power generation. In China, the building energy consumptions take a huge percentage of the total amount of the energies consumed in China. Base energies used such as air, turbines, hot water, and heating energies consumptions consume around 60% of the construction's energies. By using solar energies, hot water using solar energies can save up to 15% of the construction energies, while the photovoltaic power can save about 30% of the construction's energy.
No water from rain or sewage leaves the SIRS building. They are all directed to either the water storage tank or the solar aquatic lab for treatment. The water storage tank located in the basement of the SIRS building holds about 100,000 liters of rainwater that are filtered and kept for potable and non-potable use. The solar aquatic lab uses plants to treat wastewater, while the plant also grows from the nutrients that are contained in the sewage waste. The reclaimed sewage water is then used for irrigation of the green roof.
Green roof is another way to approach net positive energy for various buildings. It describes the general concept of a vegetated surface layer covering a conventional roof. The typical green roof system includes vegetation, filter layer, growing medium, drainage layer, wood barrier, protection fabric, insulation, roof deck, and waterproofing membrane. growing medium stores rainwater and vegetation used for photosynthesis. Reservoirs provide storage for excess capacity. In addition, moisture retention max helps to absorb excess water for future use. Roof assembly is an important component for protecting the roof walls from penetration by plant roots. There are many benefits of green roof. Night store rainwater for daily use, prevent runoff during storm, pollution remove, reducing noise, provide habitats for insects and birds, keep air temperatures cooler in warm weather to reduce energy use, raise the efficiency of solar panel, and so on. You can find that green roofs have a deep connection with net positive energy. Net positive energy design refers to design ideas or buildings that generate more energy than they require fulfilling their functions and therefore contributing in improving local ecological existence. Green roof is a good way to achieve that.
In conclusions, the world is become more and more attentive to energy conservation and reductions of emissions and other environmental pollutions. Net positive design is the solution to solving many of these problems such as greenhouse gas emissions, water scarcity, loss of biodiversity, and improving occupiers' comfort and productivity.